Introducing the How-Fixit Professional Toolkit, the ultimate solution for safe and effective electronics repair. Opener. Start with confidence using our dual heads opening tool, featuring a flexible steel blade. Its ergonomic handle and precision blade effortlessly slide into tight adhesive seals, ideal for screens and cases, protecting your devices from damage. Curved Screen Disassembler. Struggling with curved screens? Not anymore. The ultra-thin 0.1mm blade of our Curved Screen Disassembler tackles the tightest gaps, safely separating screens without cracking or scratching, even on delicate devices like smartwatches. Anti-static brush protects sensitive electronics during cleaning with our professional-grade anti-static brush. It safely removes dust and debris, preventing electrostatic discharge that can damage intricate components. Metal-thin pry tool. When the job demands strength, trust the high-tech memory metal of our metal-thin pry tool. Durable and resistant to deformation, it's perfect for tougher repairs. Stubborn adhesives or sealed housings don't stand a chance. Plastic Spudger Set. Our complete set of ESD-safe plastic spudgers provides versatility and safety. Whether it's disconnecting cables, opening connectors, or separating device housings, these non-conductive tools prevent short circuits and ensure your device remains unharmed. Suction cup with plastic triangle paddle. Finally, experience precision with ease using our powerful suction cup and plastic triangle paddle. Together, they provide a secure grip and seamless separation of glued screens, making display repairs faster and safer. Crafted for durability, versatility, and ease of use, the How-Fixit 15-in-1 Professional Toolkit is your ultimate companion for DIY repairs or professional servicing. Elevate your repair experience today. How-Fixit. Empower your repairs.